A breadboard is a tool used in electronics prototyping that allows for quick and temporary construction of circuits. Components such as resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits can be inserted into the holes to create connections. These rows of 5 holes are interconnected, and these are the negative power rails, which are separated from and not connected to the rows. And these are the positive power rail. Each of these rows consists of 5 holes that are interconnected. It consists of a plastic board with a grid of interconnected holes. The board is divided into sections, typically with 2 sets of rows, and each row within a section is electrically connected. We will connect the positive power rail to B+ of the power source, and the negative to the negative power rails. One kilo ohms connected to the anode and positive power rail. And cathode of lead to the negative power rails. Now we will use the other row. The LED did not turn on, means that the power rails are not connected at the middle. These middle gaps are not connected in some breadboard. Just use a jumping wire to correct this problem. The LED turns on. We will connect the 2 positive power rail. And the 2 negative power rail. These two positive power rail is now connected. Place the LM555 IC at the center gap of the breadboard. The remaining 4 holes in a row are connected to the pin of the IC. We will make a monostable circuit. Using jumping wire, connect pin 1 to the negative power rail. The pin 8 to the positive power rail. The pin 4 to the pin 8 of the IC. Pin 2 connect to pin 6 of the IC. These 2 rows are now connected. Pin 2 is now connected to pin 6. One kilo ohms connected to pin 7 and pin 8. 1 kilo ohms pin 7 to pin 6 of the IC. 100 UF capacitor pin 1 to pin 2. Negative terminal of capacitor at pin 1 of the IC. 1 kilo ohms at pin 3 to the positive pin of the LED. Then the negative pin of LED to the negative power rail. I replaced the 100 UF with 1000 UF to slow down the oscillation.